Today, we're diving deep into the Canon EOS 2000D's photo settings, empowering you to take control and achieve stunning results. First up, let's talk about exposure. Your mode dial is your starting point. For flexible control, consider program auto, shutter priority, aperture priority, or manual mode. Manual mode, labeled M, offers the most control, letting you adjust aperture, shutter speed, and ISO independently. Aperture, represented by an F number, controls how much light enters the lens and affects your depth of field. A smaller F number, like f2.8, creates a shallow depth of field perfect for blurring backgrounds in portraits, while a larger F number, like f11, keeps more of the scene in focus for landscapes. Shutter speed dictates how long the sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed, like 1/1000th of a second, freezes fast action, while a slow shutter speed, like 1/30th of a second, can create motion blur for artistic effects, especially with moving water or light trails. ISO controls your camera's sensitivity to light. A lower ISO, like 100 or 200, is ideal in bright conditions for minimal noise, while a higher ISO, like 800 or 1600, is necessary in low light but can introduce more grain to your image. Now for focus. Your lens has an AF to MF switch. AF means autofocus, where the camera determines the sharpest point. MF is manual focus, allowing you to precisely adjust the focus ring yourself for creative control. To get accurate colors, dive into white balance. Auto white balance often works well, but for specific lighting conditions, try presets like daylight, cloudy, tungsten, or fluorescent to fine-tune your color temperature and avoid unwanted color casts. By understanding and adjusting these settings exposure, focus, and color you're well on your way to mastering your Canon EOS 2000D and capturing truly stunning images. Experiment, practice, and watch your photography transform.